On today's show, Eloise from Strawberry Moon Designs is back and she shows us 1, 2, 3 techniques to sweeten up your Candyland design. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, Eloise is back from Strawberry Moon Designs. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good.
We've got a #1 stack here.
We do. Just a simple.
It's not very exciting.
It's not. Should we jazz it up?
I think we should jazz it up, and I know you are the person to do this.
Absolutely.
So, deco twisting is a term I don't think we've really used, but obviously entertainers have been twisting for many years. But it's a big part of what you do, isn't it?
Absolutely.
You like to add the details, and those details, you price them correctly from a time point of view, but it also allows you to charge a lot more, doesn't it?
Definitely, yes.
So we're going to decorate this.
Yep.
We're going to jazz it up, and let's go. What are we going to do first?
So what should we go with first?
I think we should go for the sprinkles. Sprinkles, let's start simple, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So sprinkles are really easy. You can just use a scrap of a balloon that you've already used.
Okay.
So here's one that we've already used. Just inflate it slightly. Like so.
That's a big sprinkle.
That's a big sprinkle. So
that's too big.
deflate it to how big you want it.
I
Sprinkle
see.
size.
Okay.
Possibly. So just tie it off. And then again, tie this end off too. There we are. And then we'll just snip off these ends. And there you have a little sprinkle.
Okay, so I think we've got to put those existing sprinkles on.
Absolutely.
So you've pre-stuck the tape on there.
Some of them already stuck. Yeah,
am I allowed?
Help me out, Greg. I'd love for you to.
I will try, but please don't tell me off.
Never.
Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Is there a particular angle I should be going at?
No particular angle, just as you please, but let's maybe just...
No particular angle, as you please, but let's maybe. I don't even need to...
Spread the colours out a bit, you know, not...
Okay, so you don't want me to put that one there?
No, thank you. Let's use a pink one.
Okay. Can I do any angle?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that was a yeah, but. That was definitely going to be a yeah, but.
Sure, whatever you wish.
Okay, I'm going to put this here like that.
Okay, and I'm going to put it like this, like a game of Tetris.
I wouldn't have done it like that.
Oh, would you not? Oh, such is life.
Oh, thanks. All right.
Here you go. I'll go for the yellow.
I don't know. I'm very scared. So
Look,
there you
that'll
go.
do. I
mean what? See, I can't do it. I cannot do it. You stop laughing at me. You. All right.
It's fine.
Seemingly placement is very important, and I failed miserably. Anyway, sprinkles. Put them where you like. Right.
So
what next?
Obviously we'd continue it down to the bottom of the one, but here we are.
Okay.
So what do you reckon we should do next?
I think we should do the sweet, the cellophane sweet.
Yep. Let's go for it. So, 12-inch balloon. I've used this because I didn't want to open another pack of 360s.
Okay.
So I thought.
Oh, that's very nice of you.
That would be a good alternative, hopefully, if it goes well. So just inflate our balloon, and we want to tie it right at the top of the neck of the balloon.
All right.
So that we've got a bit of a space to be able to push our balloon up.
Oh.
Like so.
Very good.
There you go. So that's
all right. Well, I guess adding the cellophane will make it a bit more sweet. It doesn't have to be exact,
absolutely.
does it?
So I'm going to use a bit of cellophane.
I've got some in there that I prepared earlier.
Here
there it is.
There it is. And we're just going to wrap our sweetie up. So I think adding little details like this, we need sellotape, just elevates your balloon designs.
Yeah.
That little bit more. Please may you be the sellotape cutter whilst I wrap it up.
It's giving me real responsibility.
Here we are. So we're just going to wrap it up.
How many pieces do you need?
Just one bit will be fine, I think.
Oh, I've done 2 now.
Oh, that's okay. We can always use 2. Waste not, want not.
Okay, that's 1.
There's 1. We'll put it this way, like this.
Do you want another one?
Yeah, why not?
Look at that.
There you go. Perfect. So, I just realised that I didn't cut this end off.
Didn't cut it in? I've got scissors.
Okay, we'll hide it.
Oh, yeah, we'll hide it.
We'll hide it. So, I'm going to just wrap the end of the cellophane, and we're going to use a bit of our ribbon.
Yeah.
And we're just going to tie it first into a knot so it's tight, and then we'll make a bow just so it looks pretty. Because we're all about the prettiness.
Indeed. Oh, it's just like tiny shoelaces.
Exactly.
Go on, you can do it. I'll just leave it loose, leave it loose. That's good. It looks like a bow.
Go.
That's good.
Okay, and then we'll do the next side. So again, quite tight, so it gives that nice oblong. What shape is this?
The sweetie shape.
The sweet shape. Again, we'll just tie a knot. Oh, this ribbon's a bit longer.
It is.
Goodness. Tie a knot. Like so. Do a little bow. There we
Much
have
better,
it.
look at
so
that.
then we're just going to snip the ends of the
Okay.
cellophane off.
Is it?
Just
Okay.
about here.
Look at me, I'm gonna...
Oh, okay.
Watch your fingers.
Oh, there we are. And then similar side on this one. Perfect.
I did them a bit uneven.
And there we have
Criticise me
it.
for that as well, why not?
No, I mean, it's fine. It's great. Now we've got it, our little
Okay.
sweet. So we'll add that on shortly.
Yep.
Next, we will do the lollipop, last but not least. So we've got 3 colours for this. Looks something like this.
Yep.
So the centre of the balloon, we are going to use this Calasan macaron salmon I'm going to go with.
Okay. We'll put it on the screen anyway.
Oh, excuse me. And we will just measure to make sure we've got a similar size to the other lollipop that we're going to stick on the balloon. So we want to do a large bubble, and we're going to do a pinch twist. And then we're going to do a loop twist. I'm just going to again measure it similar size to my other lollipop that I'll put on, and another pinch twist. Ooh. We'll get there.
You can do it, I believe in you.
Thank you. Okay, we're there. Right, we'll snip this end off. Where are my scissors gone?
Oh, I put them
thank
down
you
here
so
again.
much. We'll just snip that off. Tie a knot. And chop this little bit off there. So there's our centre of our balloon. We will then go with a pink 260 and inflate that. Tie it off. And we're going to just wrap that into our pinch twist. We want to try and do it nice and tight so that it's nice and secure and it's sort of tight around the lollipop.
Yep.
So once that's in, just readjust it. And we're going to wrap it around this the middle part?
Yeah, the middle part, yeah.
The middle part of the lollipop, and then we're just going to twist it off and twist this bit into the pinch twist. We do it a couple of times so it's nice and secured, like so. And then we're going to just snip this bit, tie it off again, and snip that bit off. And then last but not least,
So you're going to do the same again with another colour.
the purple one. Just adjust it slightly. And we've got our purple 260, which I believe is a Calasan pale, is it called pale lilac?
Oh, now you're asking me.
Pale lilac.
Pale macaron lilac, maybe?
Yes, I think that's correct.
Oh, macaron pale lilac, yeah.
Ah, there you go.
And the other one was macaron pale pink. Macaron pale yellow. Do you reckon that's what it was? Or did
No,
you say it
it's
was something else?
definitely
Salmon, okay.
I'm confident it's a salmon.
Okay.
Right, and then like we did with the pink one, we want to make sure it's nice and tight. And we will just, it will move around a little bit here, but don't worry too much because we can just adjust it at the end. The most important thing is to make sure it's nice and tight.
Yep.
So we'll adjust it at the end when we're finished.
Looks good.
Okay, right, we will snip this bit off. Ooh. Pick it off. And then we can adjust it so that it looks a little bit more like a
I've got
lollipop.
some, is this the sticky stuff?
Oh, that is the sticky stuff, yes.
So do some,
Yeah, please do.
chop it.
Chop it, yes.
There you go.
Chop it off.
Got 3 little
There you
bits.
go, and there's our lollipop.
Very good.
Oh, we need to just take that end off.
We need to
Make
just
sure
take that
it's
off.
nice and neat. And there
And
we
so
have it.
we're going to stick those on. Oh, got a ribbon as well. Put the ribbon
We
on.
do have our ribbon, yes. So I'm just going to make it into a bit more of a square for
I was
that
going to say,
bit.
what was wrong with my bit?
They're a bit long.
You could
for
have,
a
you
ribbon.
could have just cut them in half, couldn't you?
Yeah, but they're maybe a bit small. So I just thought I'd use this new bit. And a little bit of detailing goes a long way. So a little ribbon, doesn't take long to do. Just stick it on there.
I know you've not done very many BMTVs, but it's very rare that I feel so violently upset with somebody.
There we have it. That's our 2 lollipops.
Excellent. Okay, let's do the
Would you
clicky
like
finger
to-
thing.
Oh,
Let's get them
okay.
stuck on.
Yeah, let's get them stuck on.
3, 2, 1, go! There you go. Right, here we are. It's
we
done.
go.
That's perfect.
Jazzed it up a bit.
That's lovely. Really, really like that.
Thanks
So,
very much.
and the colours are great.
Yeah.
So I do particularly like the positioning of the sprinkles. All right, Eloise, thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for that. As a guest on BMTV, you get to ask everybody the question of the week. What is the question of the week?
Okay, the question of the week is, what is your favourite theme to do?
Oh,
Great.
what's your favourite theme? Leave your comments down below on Facebook and on YouTube. Eloise, thank you so much for that. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do, and hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every single time we upload a new show. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on TikTok. Maybe even check out Eloise as well. Stay happy, stay positive. See you next time. Bye.